Hello guys, today we are stranded in this desert and I've heard that there's a flood coming, so let's get prepared.
Yeah.
Also, today, this is gonna be our first video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Love you. Okay, so we're building our raft right now. Yeah, this is pretty good.
Let's put some barrels.
Yeah, put some barrels. You weld them, you know? It's like dead rails. It's exactly like dead rails, but better. And way better, actually. Guys, make sure to comment what game we should play next.
Yeah. Because we barely have.
Okay, come in. Put some barrels. Okay, I think this is a peak.
The flood is coming.
What? It's shaking, it's an earthquake. Oh my god. Donnie, also you can have this. Oh, wait. I can't drop it. It's okay. Okay, let's just leave it sailing. What's that sound? I hear something. Or am I going crazy, bro? You heard that too?
Yes, I think that's the waves.
Still. Come on. Get in. Hurry up.
Come in. Oh, there's no rope. There it is. Should we go on it?
That's what we're doing. Okay, it's gonna stop. More loot. Loot is our food. Let's get in. Wait. Stop. There's people inside. Gotta kill them. Did you die? Okay, Donnie, come. There's bandages here. Go pick it up.
Where?
Here. In this barrel. We're just gonna stop here and stay in the boat. Heal. Stay in the boat.
Where's my barrel?
You'll find it in the.
Oh. My barrel went to the water. I forgot it.
Oh no. Okay.
I don't know.
I'm looting, bro.
Carefully come.
Wait, there's more loot in here. Loot is our food, remember? Wait, am I not charging?
Look, this was short.
I'm coming. Donnie, go back to base. You kill those. Got this. Kill them. I died. You guys,
There's no way.
I
Say
have
you swear to
bandages.
God. Say you swear to God. Put that on Allah. Put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say.
Fine. Thank you so much. We're gonna loot for a second. You right? There was a bandage in the barrel.
Yeah, I used myself.
Oh yeah, okay. The next bandage we get is for you.
The zombies are coming.
They're not.
Are we in rivals?
Donnie, stop! Stop still! Stop still! Stop still!
I'm stopping.
Where are they? Oh, they're there. Where are you? You need to stay here for a sec. Make sure the boat isn't moving. There you are. We need to go in the ship. They're targeting us. Donnie, don't. They're gonna break the ship. That's why we have to get inside.
Is that sails?
Okay, I got this.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm healing. I'm behind you. I'm just finding loot. Yeah, it is. Boundaries, I think it was. Wait. Bandage. There's here. Take one. Honey, give me. Hurry up. We died peacefully on each other.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Peace.